Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to extract keys and values in a dictionary using indexing and slicing concept. I hope you are excited. Okay, first let me do one thing. Let me just create a dictionary. Okay, I'll just create a dictionary like info is equal to. I'll just give like a name colon. I'll just use like a John, comma. I'll just say like age colon 30, comma company equals let's say Google. And I'll just say like a salary is equal to 80,000, comma, I'll create one more key wherein it's going to be skills. Okay, so skills is equal to, so he knows multiple skills. So I'm just putting them with, list format. Okay, he knows Python, he knows SQL, let's say he knows data science, and also let's say he knows Power BI. Okay, all right, so this is great. And then and let's say language is known. So let me just define it like, yeah, let's use the language colon. So he knows multiple languages, let's say like English. Let's say he knows Hindi. Okay, and also let's say he knows Kannada. Okay, so three different languages. So Hindi, English, and also Kannada. Okay, yeah. So all right, yeah. So done with creating our dictionary. So first, let me run this and let me try to print info and let me show you what is available in that particular dictionary. And then let me show you how you can extract the values using keys. Okay. All right. This is great. So this is all about, creating a dictionary, which you already know. Now, what if my question is, I just want to fetch a value of name. I want to fetch just a value of a name. So how do you fetch it? Very simple. Just call your info. And then just write a key name within your square braces. See, this is how you get the value of a name. Now, what if I need to fetch a salary? Very simple. Just call your info and we just use a key name, which is a salary. Understand, in a string list tuple, we just used an index numbers, but in a dictionary, we just use key names in order to get the values. Okay. So now, what if my question is extract skills? I want to know all the skills. So very simple, just call info and then just call your key name, which is a skill. See? So now one more interesting question is, what if my question is to fetch, okay, data science? How do you fetch your data science? We know how to fetch skills, right? So basically data science is present in our skills. First, try to fetch skills. Okay, you got a list. Now, this is like a list, right? Now start using indexes, positive index or maybe negative index in order to get the data science. So shall I say Python index is 0, SQL index is 1, data science is 2, and Power BI is 3, right? So I'll just give index 2 so that it's going to give me data science. See? Similarly, what if I need a Power BI? So you can just use info skills. It fetches all the skills for you. Then just use an index. Power BI is the last element. I can just use the negative index, which is -1. See, this is how you can perform indexing and slicing. What if my question is to fetch Kannada? How do you fetch Kannada? Very simple. Just call your info. And it's present in a language. First, try to fetch that key language, okay? So it gives you all the languages and then just say 0. It gives you what you are looking for. Similarly, if you want to fetch Hindi, again, same logic. Hindi is the last element. You can just use -1, negative indexing. It gives you answers so quickly. Okay, this is one of the way in order to, fetch value of a key. There is one more way. We just use a method called as, get method. Get is a method which basically helps you in fetching value of a key. Let's say you want to fetch salary. Okay, let's say you want to fetch salary. Very simple way. Just call your dictionary info dot, use a method get, and then just pass your key, which is a salary. So this is another way of, fetching value of a key. Okay, you can try one more. What if I need to get a company? So just use info dot get, and you can just use, the key name versus going to be the company. See? This is how you can get a company. I hope it's clear. This is all about, fetching values with the help of key names. And if you have values, multiple values in a list, you can just use normal indexing with respect to that particular list. I hope it's clear. Happy learning.